Wait, you mean this AI tool can generate a full 30-second video in just one generation?
Yes, and that's what makes it so interesting. You can create cinematic scenes, stories, adverts, and social media videos much faster.
Seriously? No more generating tiny clips over and over?
Exactly, and Omar will teach you how to use this tool to start generating videos.
Okay, I need to see this.
What if you can create 30 seconds of AI videos in one shot instead of generating 5, 10, or 15 seconds clip and struggling to stitch everything together? There is something that makes a difference. And in this video, I'll be showing you the exact method that I use to create this podcast you just watched with 2 characters, a complete studio setup, their positions, the microphones, and the dialogue, all generated in one video. And yes, you can do this right from your phone. So pay attention, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, from choosing the AI models to preparing the images, writing the prompt, and setting my duration, and finally generating the video. Let's get into it. The app we're going to use is CapCut, and if you've used CapCut before, you probably already have it installed on your phone. If you don't have this app, go to Google Play Store and download CapCut. But you may not know that CapCut now gives you access to different AI video models directly inside the app. So open CapCut, let's go straight to AI generator, tap on AI video, and this is where things gets interesting. You'll see different AI models available for generating videos. Depending on when you are watching this, you can see the Seedance models, Sora, VEO, and others. But for this tutorial, we are going to use the Seedance 2.5. And the reason I'm choosing this particular model is simple. It can generate up to 30 seconds of video in one single generation. This is amazing. Now let's get into the tutorial. Once you click on AI video, you'll see an interface like this. Click on the plus sign to select the images. Now I'm going to import my reference images. I'm going to import the image of the lady, the man, and my studio. You can see all the images have been imported. You can import more images depending on what you are generating. Below the images, you see describe your video, reference up to 9 images and 3 videos. This is also trying to tell you that you can upload up to 9 images and 3 videos. You can also describe your video. Now let's describe the video we want to create. For you to generate a nice video, you need a very good prompt. And I'll be using ChatGPT for this. Here is the prompt I got for a 30-second podcast video. What the man and the woman has to say, their body language, and everything that I need to generate a perfect podcast video. Now, you either highlight and copy this prompt, or you click on the copy icon here. Then go back to CapCut to paste this prompt in this box. Before you move to the next step, ensure that you read the prompt and adjust it to your taste if necessary. For this prompt, I decided to make a little adjustment. Below the prompt, I had to specify how I want the AI to use these reference images to produce a video for me. So I went below the prompt and typed something like this. Make the lady at image 1 and the man at image 2 to sit in the podcast studio at image 3. Both of them should have a microphone in front of them. Scroll down to the model and select Seedance 2.5. For generation mode, select reference, and then for duration, slide this to 30 seconds. Select the aspect ratio. I'm using the 16:9 aspect ratio and my resolution is 720p. Then click on generate. Once you do that, you get this notification. telling you the amount of credit this video will cost you. Click on confirm and the video generation starts. After the video generation hits 100%, you'll have your video.
Wait, you mean this AI tool can generate a full 30-second video in just one generation?
Yes, and that's what makes it so interesting. You can create cinematic scenes, stories, adverts, and social media videos much faster.
Seriously? No more generating tiny clips over and over?
Exactly. And Omar will teach you how to use this tool to start generating videos.
Okay, I need to see this.
If you found this video interesting, please click on the like button and share this video to other people you feel would find this video interesting. Click on the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. Bye.